Another peanut butter brownie recipe for you today, peanut butter swirl brownies. So it's my favorite brownie recipe with like a peanut butter mixture swirled on top and baked, peanut buttery, chocolatey, fudgy, delicious.
These brownies start with 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter and 4 ounces of unsweetened baking chocolate that I break up and then melt that until it's nice and smooth, and then stir in 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Then you'll be adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 3 large eggs. You can use Dutch process or regular natural unsweetened, and then 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Stir that until it's nice and smooth, and then we're going to put that into a 9 by 9 inch baking pan lined with foil and sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. You can skip the foil if you want, but I like it for easy removal. Then the peanut butter swirl is 1/2 cup of peanut butter mixed with 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, along with a teaspoon of vanilla. Drop spoonfuls of that onto the top of the brownie mixture in the pan, and then use like a knife or the back of a wooden spoon to swirl it. Then you'll be baking this at 350 for 28 to 35 minutes.
You can see how gooey and rich these are. That peanut butter is a nice like kind of salty component to that sweet fudgy brownie. These are one of my favorite brownies in the entire world. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more desserts.